how to apply for a BDO credit card. First things first is open up any preferred web browser that you can use on your end. But on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now, in order for you to get here, all I have to do is just simply type in BDO credit card. And then just simply choose on a specific link that will take you directly to BDO's official site. Once you're here, just simply click this option here that says apply. And then just simply scroll down a bit till you find the option credit card. In here, what you want to do next is to choose on what specific type of credit card that you would like to have. If it's going to be for a MasterCard, a Visa, an American Express, or JCB. Say for example, we will be exploring the MasterCard credit. Hit on apply now, and then you will be redirected to the page in which you'll have to choose a specific card and then just input your general details. Now it usually takes 24 to 48 hours to get approved or to have an update. You just have to wait for it till the BDO customer support gets back to you. So that is how you apply for a BDO credit card.